To add a text in a video, select the clip, go to Filters, click the plus icon, type text. Select Text Rich. Click on the box to type your text. You can use the options at the top to bold, change font, size, color, and a few other things. To change the background color, click here. And to remove it, change the alpha channel value to 0. To animate the text, you can use one of the presets by clicking on them and selecting one. To animate by yourself, remove the preset you chose by selecting the defaults. Click on this icon. Move the keyframe, playhead, and the text where you want them to be on the start of the video. Move the playhead, then text for the next position. Click on Timeline to see the results.